Content Crafters HQ, from concept to creation. Welcome to Mastering the Art of YouTube, a comprehensive guide to starting a successful channel. In this course, we will provide you with a comprehensive overview of YouTube, covering its key features, history, and impact. Whether you're a content creator looking to build a successful channel or a viewer seeking to make the most of your YouTube experience, this course will equip you with the knowledge and strategies you need. So, let's get started. Before we delve into the course content, let's take a moment to understand the significance of YouTube in today's digital landscape. YouTube has revolutionized the way we consume and create video content. It has become an integral part of our online culture, offering a diverse range of videos across various genres. From entertainment and education to news and blogging, YouTube has something for everyone. The power of video. Video content has a unique ability to captivate and engage audiences. It allows for creative expression, storytelling, and sharing valuable knowledge. With YouTube's massive user base and global reach, it presents unparalleled opportunities for content creators to connect with viewers around the world. Why learn about YouTube? Understanding YouTube is crucial for both creators and viewers. For creators, YouTube offers a platform to showcase their talents, build a brand, and even generate income. For viewers, it provides a vast library of content tailored to their interests, allowing for endless entertainment and learning possibilities. In this course, our primary objectives are to provide a comprehensive overview of YouTube's key features and functionalities, explore the history and evolution of YouTube as a platform, discuss the impact of YouTube on society, including its role in entertainment, education, and social change, equip content creators with strategies to grow their channels, engage their audience, and monetize their content. Help viewers make the most of their YouTube experience by discovering new content, managing subscriptions, and navigating the platform effectively. Course structure. This course is divided into several modules, each focusing on specific aspects of YouTube. We will cover topics such as YouTube channels, video uploading, video discovery, monetization, community interaction, YouTube Premium, resources for content creators, optimizing the viewer experience, and the impact of YouTube on society. The course will consist of video lessons, interactive quizzes, practical exercises, and additional resources for further exploration. Each module will build upon the previous one, providing a cohesive learning experience. Who can benefit from this course? This course is designed for aspiring content creators, individuals interested in starting their YouTube journey, and viewers who want to enhance their YouTube experience. No prior knowledge of YouTube is required. We will start from the basics and gradually progress to more advanced concepts. By the end of the course, you will have a comprehensive understanding of YouTube as a platform, and you will be equipped with practical strategies and insights to succeed as a content creator or enhance your viewer experience. Thank you for joining us in this introduction to Mastering the Art of YouTube, a comprehensive guide to starting a successful channel. We're excited to embark on this learning journey with you. So, let's dive into the world of YouTube and unlock its endless possibilities together. To purchase the full course, check out the link in the video description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss any of our helpful videos.